Welcome to MetCam Tutorials. In this video, we discuss additional MetCam functions accessible through the web interface. MetCam has an internal storage card to save important information. This information is accessible through the web interface. We first look at events. An event is saved whenever MetCam detects gas. This allows the user to investigate the events at a later time and understand the cause. MetCam stores up to 20 time-stamped events using a first-in, first-out method. Events can be downloaded through the web interface. The user may download a select event or all of them. Downloaded events will appear as zip files in the PC's download directory. Emission images are generated once hourly and stored to memory. The counter in the page shows the number of images in memory. The memory can hold up to 3 months' worth of images. The emission images are compressed into a zip file. They are in JPG format and once downloaded can be manually reviewed to locate leaks in the site. Emission images are not used to generate automated alarms. MetCam keeps a log file of its operation. New entries appear at the bottom of the log. Each log entry has a timestamp. The active log file is archived daily at 12 p.m. and a new log is started. The log can be downloaded to a PC. MetCam Web UI has a built-in interface for password control where these can be assigned and changed by an administrator. The Web UI Versions tab presents the version of the firmware models installed. The device ID is the serial number of the unit. The Web UI includes a mechanism for updating the firmware. CI sends update packages to its customers. These are compressed files. Save the update file onto a PC and then point MetCam to it and press Update. By default, MetCam will only update with a file containing newer versions than those installed. The user may force MetCam to install older versions by checking the Force Install checkbox.